Hello guys, thank you very much for joining today, and in our series of review for micro jobs, today we are looking at Rapidworkers. This is one of the websites I like. I have a couple of campaigns running here as well. Here you can make very good money from this website. It's also very much the same like pickle workers and micro workers, and each of them have their a few functionalities that the others don't have, and I'll take you through everything you need to know about this website. So here, unlike the other websites where you would not actually see tax from other geographical locations that you are not supposed to see or perform those tasks, with Rapidworkers all the tax is available from all locations: international, USA, Germany. Though I'm not in Germany, I can see that. So you see UK, USA, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Norway. Now I'm not in any of these countries, but then I'm seeing the tax available. And then you choose the tax if you are within the location, so you perform it and you are good to go. Then you will be rated and paid. So this website actually has good payout, so you can check your country or so you can check the target workers. So let's take it, you want to narrow down to what should I pick? So let's just say, okay, here so you see, when you select this geographical location, Australia, UK, New Zealand, and all that, so it brings you the tax that is available for here. And see, someone is making referrals to Eraworkers, and that is actually the next website we'll be reviewing in the next video that we'll be doing. It's also another great website. So somebody is making referrals to this website because they also have some nice referral commission that they pay. So you see, people are finding smart ways of making money online. So you can also sort by, let's say, the Middle East, and if you sort by the Middle East, you have this. So this is UAE, United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Qatar, Kuwait, and Bahrain. Yes, and they also have some nice payouts here for, you see this one, pin submit. Just submit. I believe this will be a phone tax. You just submit your pin code, and that is all. You are paid. So that is it. This is Saudi Arabia and other distance. So there are actually very simple tasks that you can do and get paid. So with pickle workers, when you come to tutorial here, you are taken to a Facebook page where they will show you everything you are supposed to do, whether you are an employer or you are a worker. You can learn what is expected of you. You can make withdrawals. Once again, I have not made any withdrawals. I have made deposits. Because I have some tax running here as well. So that is it, guys. I'll be leaving a link below, and you can join Rapidworkers. It's also a legitimate website. They are paying. They have some of the high payout rates. You can so you can also sort USA, Canada, EU, Australia, New Zealand. Yep. So I think, yeah, this is my campaign. This is my campaign that is running. Sorry, I'm not a good artist. So this is a campaign that I'm running here, and you know, it's good. But basically, before I do this, and I want to test it, I do campaign myself to see whether it is working. So I have to test it, and whatever I'm showing you is legitimate. I have tried and tested it. If I never tried, I wouldn't show it. I have deposited money. I have so this was actually one campaign I did. One tax I did, and I was rated as satisfied. So once we do a tax, the employer will determine whether the tax was correctly done or not, depending on the proof you submit. So I was paid $1.11 for that particular tax. Yeah, because I needed to write a review and then do some other things. But everything took about 35 minutes. I was done. So that is that about Rapidworkers. It's a legitimate website. You can create your own campaign. Very simple process. When you create the campaign, the website administrator will review your campaign and then approve it. If it meets their standard, they will approve it. If it doesn't, then they will contact you. And one thing I like about these websites is talking of micro workers, pickle workers, Rapidworkers. These are websites that has very strong support system. You write to them, and within half an hour they are replying you, and you can take action. I really love these websites, the way they work. Very smart in responding to their users of their website. That is good. So it's a legitimate website. Workers is a legitimate website. You can join and you can make some money from it. I'll leave a link below, and I'll leave another link if you actually want to make some good money, big money, at least $5 for referring somebody to join, to try whatever, and in a day you can make good money. If you will join this thing, you can leave a comment below. I'll send you free traffic methods that you can use to actually make $100 or more in a day. So thank you very much. Please try to subscribe to this channel, and also leave a comment below, like the video, and don't forget to check the links I am going to leave behind. You can actually make good money from those sites, from the links I'm leaving below. So that is that. Thank you very much. I'm out.